since I've been doing this for a long time, and I've realistically been in the same area, I have been able to watch my children grow up. And so I now get to go to football games and see my children come back and say, "My mom said you delivered me." I have not gotten to the point where my children are actually having children. I think when that happens, it'll be time for me to retire. My name is Anita Hudson-Fraley. I am an obstetrics and gynecology physician. I work in the obstetrical emergency department at Rex Hospital. The one thing I like about obstetrics and gynecology, it allows you to continue to have the same type of relationships, to do the same type of procedures, to take care of people the same, no matter what my role is. So even in private practice, even with teaching, even with just working a shift in the emergency department, I get to be part of one of the most exciting, exhilarating experiences that any person can possibly have, and that's starting their own family. And so specifically in our emergency department, I'm the first point of contact that people have when they come to the hospital. I get the opportunity to answer a lot of questions. I get the opportunity to learn a lot about the families. I do get to participate in those deliveries. I'm also the one that if things aren't going exactly the way we want them to go, then I can help de-stress situations and help to get the extended family to kind of understand the things that are going on.
Sure.
A lot of pregnancies are different. And I think the one take home I always try and impress upon anybody is ask the question. There really aren't any stupid, dumb questions. If you ask the question, then we can address it and we can help you understand the process. There's some things I cannot control or that I cannot change, but at least if you understand why a process is happening and how we treat the process and what goes on with the process, I think that goes a long way to being able to de-stress the situation, to understand the situation. Knowledge is really power. And I don't know everything. And I always tell people, sometimes I don't know the answer to the question, but I know somebody that knows the answer to the question, and I'm not afraid to go and ask that person.